Hey everyone! Today, Woyu is bringing you a review of the Goldshell CK LITE mining machines. Follow me to learn more about it. The net weight is approximately 8.3 kilograms and gross weight about 12.8 kilograms. Goldshell CK LITE supports the Eaglesong algorithm, allowing you to mine CKB cryptocurrency with a hash rate of 6.3 TH/s. Its power consumption is 1200 watt. Then let's install it. Plug in the power cord, connect the Ethernet cable, plug in the adapter, and switch on the power. After powering on, we can see the miner is running well. When the actual hash rate is 6.3 TH/s, the power consumption is approximately 1130 watt, and the noise level is around 60 decibels. How to set up the miner so that it works properly? Open the GeneBay official website, click on Support, click on the following tab to find the miner we are currently connected to. Enter the mining machine settings, fill in the mining address and miner name, save. After miner running for about 10 minutes, the miner settings interface will show all the data, including hash rate, income and so on. Based on an CKB price of $0.0113 and a mining difficulty of 342p on July 25, 2024, the daily earnings of the Goldshell CK LITE 6.3T miner are approximately $1.08. The above calculations are for reference only. Actual earnings will be influenced by the following factors. Summary: the Goldshell CK LITE 6.3T miner is a powerful miner with low power consumption. The miner supports CKB coins mining and is suitable for long-term use in large-scale mining farms. By miner to Woyu. Make mining easier. For more details, please visit the official website of Woyu.